If you are looking for acoustic foam panels for your entertainment room and or your office, I recently just picked up these peel and stick foam panels. Excuse the darkness in here. This is an entertainment room, and we're missing a light up here, so I got a little floodlight here. But these particular foam panels are awesome. They come in a pack of 6. Very easy to install. The back of it is just like a sticky pad where you just kind of peel it off like a sticker, and you just measure them out and then you stick them up. They are probably about 3/8 of an inch thick, and they are really like a high dense foam. Now, if you guys are looking for something that's really easy to put up, then I would recommend these, because these actually only took me about 10 or 15 minutes once I measured out kind of on the wall where I wanted them to go. I just peeled them off and stuck them on the wall. I didn't have to push holes in the wall or anything like that. Now, it was really sticky. So all you had to do is just kind of press against them to get it to stay, but it was really sticky. So I'm a little nervous when and if I ever go to either repaint or I have to pull these off, that it's gonna rip the paint off the wall. I don't know, I can't answer that for you. So make sure that you measure twice and then stick once, all right? So it came in a pack of 4, or 6. What I ended up doing is putting 4 along the back wall, and then sticking 1 along each of the speakers here along the bottom. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be it for these acoustic foam panels. If you guys are looking for something, highly recommend them. They've worked great for my entertainment room. All right, hope you guys got value out of this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.